Okay, today we're going to look at making some slime. So we're going to be using 2 parts corn flour to 1 part water. So whatever measuring cup or bowl you're using, we're going to fill up 2 parts with our corn flour. So 1, fill it back up again. 2. It's okay if we make a little bit of mess. We can clean it up later. So we're going to make sure all of our corn flour is out of our measuring cup, and we're going to put in our 1 cup of water. Pour it in like this. So if you have a look here, I'm going to start mixing it with my hand. You get this really nice slimy consistency. And if you want, we can add some colour to it. I might add some yellow to mine. Just using some food colouring. I'm going to pop it in a couple of drops and keep mixing. So mix it through. Now this is a really cool slime because if you're really rough with it, it actually goes hard, but if you're very gentle with it, it's soft and runny just like water. So if you've put a bit too much water in and it's a bit too runny, you can leave it for a bit, or you can just add more flour to it. There we go. And if it dries out a bit, you can just add some more water. So nice and gentle and smooth, we've got runny slime. So my slime is just a little bit too runny. I'm just going to sprinkle in some more corn flour until I get the consistency that I like. So we're just going to mix it through, and that's better. Now it clumps up a little bit more. I like my slime to get a little bit clumpy. It's a little more fun to play with when it's clumpy. Lift it up and look at all those big strings falling down. See, if you roll it really quickly in your hands, roll, 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 you can even make it into a ball and then watch it melt back through your fingers.